Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. Hope you have a blessed one. It is the 29th of July. The weatherman's saying I've got 75 degrees. My thermometer's saying 82. So let's get the severe thunderstorm watch just gone because you guys are in a warning area. All of Oklahoma and some of Wichita, Kansas is under severe thunderstorm watches. Keep your eyes on the sky, guys, and listen to your local warnings. Also, Arkansas, here's a switch for you. You're under a dense fog advisory until at least 8 o'clock. We've got heat advisories out for Los Angeles, Sacramento, Oregon, Washington State, and all the way up into Canada. What we have now is our earthquakes. Last night, 4 hours ago, a 4.2 in Indonesia, a 4.7 at the Kuril, Kuril island, and then they had a 5.1 half hour later in the same place, the Kuril Islands. A 4.5 in Indonesia. Off the coast of Mexico, there was a 4.0. Central Peru had a 4.6. Hawaii has had a total of 89 earthquakes in the last hour and a half, ranging from a 1.7 to a 3.6. Russia has had 2 earthquakes, a 4.7 and a 4.7. California has had 10, ranging from a 0.7 to a 2.0 in Loma Linda, California, and a Bella Vista, California had a 2.8. Nevada has had a 2.6. Believe it or not, Canada and Junction, Canada, had a 1.6. And Alaska in the last hour has a 1.8. Hopefully it's not as busy as it was yesterday, guys. That was really popping. If you're in the heat advisory areas, please drink plenty of fluids and stay hydrated. Please, if you're in the severe thunderstorm areas in Kansas, listen to your local weather station, have it tuned in, and be prepared. You guys have yourself a blessed Sunday. Please be safe out there. God bless you. And hopefully, no offense, I won't be popping in all day like I was yesterday. Bye-bye for now.